What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. The market is absolutely looking good right now. We are sitting at an $859 billion market cap, just a hair back from that $860 billion market cap I seen it at earlier. Let's take a look at some of these prices and also just marvel in Shib's glory for a moment. So it's not anything too drastic, but this is the beginning. This is what the beginning times look like, the quiet before the storm, before things absolutely take off. Of course, they can always pull back if we get bad news, but it looks like the markets are exhausted from hearing all the negative news going around. So right now, Bitcoin at 17,460. We got Ethereum at 1339. Imagine seeing Ethereum back around that 1500 range. BNB 277, XRP 35 cent. We got Cardano 32 cent, Doge 7.6 cent. We got Polygon at 85 cents, Solana $16.42. We got Litecoin at $81 right now. Polkadot $4.94. Shiba Inu finally broke over that 9 level, and now is sitting at number 15th place by market cap. If y'all been watching the last few videos, I told y'all this was gonna play out. So once Shiba Inu caught some momentum, we're gonna see the market cap rise. More investors are excited about Shiba Inu than obviously looks like Tron, and we see that taking place right here. So let's take a look at where it looks like the price wants to go to. We got Shiba Inu up 6.3%, volume only up 5.9% in the last 24 hours. So let's see how high it actually went for today. Let's make sure y'all can see this accurately on the screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we can see we basically had a high of 967. Now it's at that 925 level, but it pushed all the way up to that 967 level. This is going to give investors confidence. When we see candles like this large on a day chart, take a look at all these small candles, small. When we get these bigger movement like that, that shows the market has more confidence in where it's going. So it's likely to continue to push up in that direction. Take a look at the volume as well. Volume really strong. Also, these are the signs we want to see. Times are heating up, y'all. Don't say I did not tell you. Now, could this be the absolute bottom and that we've already seen? It's absolutely possible. Could things go down further? Yes, that's absolutely possible as well, but you just want to be prepared. You don't want to be sitting on the sidelines and miss out on what could possibly take place. So let's use a few indicators and see what's likely to go down with Shib. We got our Bollinger Bands. We talked about this yesterday, how strong the price was outside the upper Bollinger Band, which is a sign that it's likely to continue. Also, let's grab our RSI, relative strength index, and determine, is the price overbought, oversold? So we can see at some points it did get up towards those levels of becoming overbought and also expensive for the price that it was at. So that's why we seen people take profit around that area. People who don't understand technical analysis buy back in, push the price, they after the smart money buys the dip, people that don't understand technical analysis, they watch the candles, they chase the candles, they push the price up even higher. People that understand technical analysis take profit, the price starts to trend back down. People who don't understand technical analysis, some of them paper hand out of their positions, price pulls back further, smart money buys in again, and this process keeps repeating itself. So let's take a look over at Twitter, see what's going on. Actually, I just noticed right now y'all can't see those Bollinger Band indicators or the RSI, so I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. So you see this number here sitting at a 66, our RSI, relative strength index. That tells us that the price is, or the asset is becoming overbought at some points, and it will eventually cool off. So also here, this upper Bollinger Band tells us, are we paying an expensive or cheap price? If the price was more down in these range, that means you're paying fairly cheap price for what it's worth. Up here is getting a little more expensive. Now, of course, it can always go higher than this, but that's just at this present time. So let's take a look over at Twitter. We got Shibarium trending right now. Everybody excited about this. Let's see. Okay. So we got Shibarium trending. Shout out to Your Pop, said Shibarium might be launching at the perfect time. Looks like it so far. Shiba Inu, Shib pump it up. Shibarium, Shib strong. Showing those green candles. Let's see what else. Shib has Shiba Eternity collectible card game, mobile app live, and blockchain version coming soon. That's still very bullish news. Those of y'all that are waiting for the blockchain version, that know what's up with that. That's going to create more and more burns for SHIB. Excited about that. Also, SHIB send it to the moon. The SHIB killer is here. So we got people, you know, putting their sights on Shiba Inu right now, about to ride off some of that hype. SHIB Australia coming soon. Cavill Avenue, Surfers Paradise, Queensland. SHIB Shiba Inu, Shibarium, SHIB Army, Australia. So it looks like Australia's first crypto diner. Food, drinks, crypto ATM opening soon. Okay, Shiba Wings. Let's go. Bitcoin ATM. Shout out to Shiba Wings, man. Let's get that retweeted. Crypto Bezos said SHIB. Good morning, SHIB Army with Shibarium. So it's a lot of bullish news out here, man. Everybody excited about the release of Shibarium. For the third day on the road, Bone remains strong and stable. Let's also go take a look at Bone real quick. But yeah, I think it's going to go bonkers when Shibarium releases. Maybe it might pull back right after that once people, you know, everybody catches on. But I think initially we're going to see a run upon the release of Shibarium. So stay tuned for that. You know, of course, this is not financial advice. Anything could happen. I don't have a crystal ball here, so never risk more than you're willing to lose, and always do your own due diligence. Okay, we got Bone up also 5.6% right now, sitting at $1.18. So y'all had a chance, you know, to been grabbing Bone. You know, we was talking about this, you know, earlier in the, way earlier. Hold on, where we at price? So in that area, we seen some, you know, times where we around 70 cent. Around these areas, it was looking decent to grab some. Around here again, we noticed every time it start to find support back around that 70 cent range. Also, right before it broke out of that 80 cent range, I think I said it was looking like it was on the way as well. And take a look at what it's doing right now, from, you know, 70 to 80 cent to $1.18. And I told you I wouldn't be surprised if we could see Bone get all the way up to around $5 upon the release of Shibarium. Now, it's not guaranteed. I'm just saying I wouldn't be surprised if we did see that. So 24-hour volume is at 6.6 million, down 7.8% in the last 24 hours. Y'all, hey, I think things are about to get exciting. You know, I think we're about to see meme coins trigger off that mini bull rally again and put us in a nice position for those who've been holding, those who've been patient. So just stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.